Today I'm going to be taking you through the process of creating your own CustomGPT chatbot. CustomGPT makes it really easy for you to build your own chatbot using your own data. So first of all, we're on the dashboard page in My Projects. And from here, you're going to want to go and click on Create Project right here, which will bring you to this page, which has 3 separate upload options. Now you can start your project by uploading either a sitemap or a file or multiple files. However, today we're going to start this chatbot by only uploading a sitemap. Now, CustomGPT allows you to upload a sitemap, which is an XML file with up to 50,000 different URLs of web pages. And for a tutorial on how to use our free sitemap generator, you can see our other video on that. Very simple. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to be uploading an already created sitemap into our bot. And to do this, you simply click into this URL box and paste your sitemap link. And now that we have our sitemap uploaded, let's name our project, which today we're creating a chatbot, which will be a travel guide for a trip to Italy. And now we're going to create our project based on this. So as you can see, our project is now created, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the project settings button. Here you can edit the name. However, what we're going to do is we're going to go to data, and as you can see, we already uploaded this sitemap, but what we want to do is upload some files. We're going to upload 2 large PDFs, which are books about Italy, which will really help our chatbot. So basically what we're going to do is you go to this box here and you click it and you go to the file that you want to upload, whether it's on your desktop or in a folder. In my case, it's in a folder. First, we're going to do this book, 62 megabytes. Then we're going to do this one, which is only 3 megabytes. So now, once you've uploaded your files, down here you can choose whether you want to keep your files uploaded after the chatbot is created, or if you want them to be permanently deleted. And this is completely up to you. And it's important to remember that your data is always encrypted and safe within CustomGPT. Whether you delete it or not, it's up to you. And now that you have your sitemap and our files uploaded into your chatbot should be ready for use. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Files. And now we're going to go back to our projects page. Now it's possible that the chatbot will not be ready for a few minutes. And if this is the case, you just have to be patient. It will be ready eventually. However, something you can do in the meantime if you're waiting is personalize your chatbot a bit more. And to do this, we're going to hit project settings right here. We're going to go to chatbot. Right here you can see you can change the appearance of your bot. You can change the avatar icon and the background image. You can also change the default prompt, which you will see in the text box whenever you go to use the bot. And you can also add some sample questions down here. Now if you go up and you click conversation settings, you'll see that this response source box, this asks you where you want to be getting your information from in your chatbot, and you can select between default, my content, and my content plus ChatGPT. Now, default and my content are the exact same because by default, all of the information that the chatbot is spitting out is coming from your data. So if you want the information to come from ChatGPT as well, you can click that. And the ChatGPT option gives your bot access to all the data from GPT-4, which is the latest iteration of openai models and ChatGPT. However, for this chatbot, we're just going to stick with default. Here you can switch the language. Every major language, there is an option in this menu. And then you can enable or disable citations. By default, they are enabled, which allows you to see which of your sources the information is coming from. You can also change the view of the citation. So by default, the user has to click on the citation in order to see it. However, you can select always show or always hide, depending on what your preference is. And then if you have a premium plan, you can take out the CustomGPT branding. So there we go. Now I'm going to go edit this and give it a bit more of a Italian feel for this specific chatbot, and I will see you when I do that. Now, as you can see, I changed this up a little bit. I changed the avatar photo, I changed the background image, and I wrote a little Italian just to give it a bit more personalization. And now we can go test it out. I go to my projects, click on Ask Me Anything, which will take you directly to your chatbot. And now let's ask, where should I go to eat in Florence, for example? Very good answer right there. A couple of recommendations. Let's say like, what's the fastest way to get from Rome to Naples? Oops. There you go. So that is the basic process behind creating a custom GPT chatbot. Very straightforward process. However, if you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below and I will do my best to respond. You can also email us at hello@customgpt.ai. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.